Are you thinking about selling your house? If so, be careful whose advice you're listening to, or you could end up costing yourself thousands of dollars in unnecessary repairs. Let me tell you a real story that just happened the other day. I walked into a future seller's home to give her advice about how she should prep her home before going on the market. The house was well lived in, and immediately I saw the need for updated flooring and paint throughout. It was the first thing anyone would notice when they walked in. However, guess what she was worried about doing before it hit the market? Replacing all of the windows in the house. If you don't know, that would cost thousands of dollars. Another realtor had suggested she do it over making cosmetic improvements to the house. They claimed that it was something anyone would appreciate, and cosmetic repairs were buyer specific. Thankfully, the seller got a second opinion because unfortunately, that was wrong advice. Sure, if you have a window that's leaking or broken, I would suggest getting that fixed. But replacing all of the windows is a cost that most buyers won't even understand the value. Buyers are more concerned about how they feel when they walk into a property, and most of them want it move-in ready, which means cosmetic repairs. They likely wouldn't even notice the windows. In this video, I'm going to break down the biggest money wasters when preparing your home for sale so that you can focus on what really matters and to make the best decisions for your home. Also, if you want a complete breakdown of how to get your home ready for sale, make sure to grab our free 2025 Seller's Guide. It's packed with expert advice and tips you won't want to miss. You can download it from the link in the description below. All right, let's jump into it. As sellers, we're often told we need to update everything in our home to increase its value. But here's the truth, not everything needs to be fixed. There are a few common repairs and upgrades that can actually hurt you more than it can help you. Let's take a look at some of the biggest money wasters when it comes to selling a home. Okay, the first one, a full kitchen renovation. A full kitchen renovation is one of the most expensive things you can do, and in most cases, it's not worth it. Sure, buyers love a beautiful modern kitchen, but spending tens of thousands on new countertops, cabinets, and appliances won't always give you the return you're hoping for. Instead of going for a complete renovation, focus on small updates that can make a huge difference. For example, painted cabinets with new hardware or replacing dated light fixtures can give the kitchen a fresh look without draining your budget. Secondly, replacing the roof, windows, or major systems. If your roof is only a few years old or has minor wear and tear, there's no need to replace it before selling. Buyers will expect normal wear and they'll be focused on the price of the home over small repairs. The same goes for major systems like HVAC or plumbing. If they're in good working order, don't waste money replacing them. If there's a major issue, of course, you'll need to fix it. But don't go overboard just to upgrade the systems that are perfectly functional. And lastly, like I mentioned, windows only need to be repaired if they're leaking, broken, or don't operate properly. You don't need to replace all the windows just because they have some age on them. Okay, custom landscaping. Landscaping is important, but custom landscaping like building elaborate outdoor kitchens, installing intricate water features, that can actually be a waste of money. While curb appeal is important and a tidy yard goes a long way, buyers are more interested in how easy it is to maintain the yard, not how much you spend on it. Instead, focus on simple things like fresh mulch, mowing the lawn, trimming the shrubs, and planting a few colorful flowers. These small touches go a long way in making your home look appealing to potential buyers. The fourth thing, unnecessary painting. While it is definitely true that fresh paint can give your home a clean, modern look, you don't need to go overboard with painting every single room. If the rooms are already neutral and in decent condition, there's no need to repaint everything. Focus on the areas that show wear or are heavily personalized, like bright accent walls or bold colors that can turn buyers off. Upgrading bathroom fixtures. Similar to the kitchen, you don't need to completely overhaul your bathrooms. Upgrades like new sinks, showers, or bathtubs might seem tempting, but they can be a big waste of money unless the bathroom is really outdated or in poor condition. Instead of expensive renovations, try affordable fixes like replacing old light fixtures, adding a new mirror, or giving cabinets a fresh coat of paint. If the bathroom feels outdated, consider adding neutral, clean accents like new towels or shower curtains to make it feel fresh. Adding a pool. While a pool may seem like a great selling point, it can be more of a hassle than it's worth. Many buyers don't want the expense or maintenance that comes with owning a pool, especially in colder climates or areas where the weather doesn't lend itself to pool use year-round. In some cases, installing a pool may even lower your home's value, depending on your local market. If you would enjoy a pool and plan to be in your house for many years, it can be worth the investment, but you will never get every dollar out of what it costs to add a pool. So what's the takeaway from today's video? When preparing your home for sale, it's important to focus on the basics. Don't waste money on unnecessary renovations that won't bring a return on investment. Focus on simple updates that increase appeal, like fresh paint, decluttering, and small fixes that make a big difference. And remember, if you need help navigating what's worth fixing, we're here for you. My team and I can help guide you through the process. And if you're not in our area, we can connect you with a trusted real estate agent throughout our network across the United States. To get started, be sure to download our free 2025 Seller's Guide for more tips on how to get your home ready for the market. You can also learn more about prepping your home by watching our video, How to Sell a House in 2025. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to helping you sell your home.